Guys, kami-kami rin lang bumibili. Hindi pa open yung bazaar.
Ticket price 500
na lang ba?
Oo. Lahat yan?
Yes.
Sige, 1K na lang.
Si Alec.
So let's start this off with a quick prayer to be led by Ko.
Guys, ang hirap talaga kumita. Makabili na. Ang hirap naman kumita. Kailangan sumayaw. Hi guys, time check. I think, actually hindi ko alam, parang mga 9 PM na. We just came from our bazaar sa Co-Create. It's a studio in Capitolio. Ang ganda. I-check nyo if you guys are in the area or meron kayong mga shoot. Maganda yung space kasi parang may floor to window. Floor to window. Lutang na. Oh, may bebos here. Ang ganda ng studio nila. Ngayon, magbaba na lang kami ng mga ginamit. So, thank you so much guys for going and buying our stuff. Hi guys! Meron tayong work today with Morton's. Sa may uptown siya. I think it's a new steak restaurant. Parang sikip ng ring ko. Kailangan lang natin sila i-feature. Then kailangan ko siya ma-upload before Valentine's. And then meron tayong meeting with our wedding planner today. So, obviously today, this is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing Kenzo. Of course, our Gentle Monster sunnies. And of course, our Gentle Monster eyeglasses. Our Cartier Santos watch. I also added a Swarovski na bracelet na nabili ko sa Paris. And then our Homura bracelet. Yung rings natin from Homura also. Iba-iba. And then this one from Chariol. And then our bag is from Gucci. Medyo malalaki na yung mga bags natin ngayon kasi lagi kong dala yung laptop ko kasi nagpe-present ako sa mga suppliers natin. So, ayun, meron tayong pa-presentation. Siguro after ng wedding, pwede ko i-share sa inyo yung ginawa naming wedding deck. So, exciting naman. Masaya mag-plan. And then this week, isa pa sa agenda namin is maghanap ng venue. So, let's go! Guys, we're here at Morton's, the steakhouse. I think this is based in Chicago and open na siya dito sa may, as in tapat ng uptown. I'll put all the details dito. Pero, so far, so good. Parang pwede nga ikasal dito kasi sobrang pasok sa aesthetic namin ni Angelique and mukhang masarap yung food. Let's see. Actually, pag gabi daw, as in itim. Sobrang dark daw dito. Ayan, nasa baba kami, meron pa sa taas. And everyone gets an onion bread. Ito. You know, with a butter. Hi guys, we're now here at Elephant Grounds. Medyo nalasing po ang dalawa. Ayaw ka lang ba? Ang dami ko kasing in-order na drinks. At sulit na sulit ang aking mga in-order. So, please do visit Morton sa Uptown yan. Sa tapat ng Uptown Mall. Ngayon dito naman kami sa Elephant Grounds. Saan pa ba? Forever dito. Saan? Forever. Guys, te talaga tawag niya.
Te talaga?
Oo. Ang sabi ko,
Forever.
gulo nito eh. Ito yung forever meeting place namin sa Elephant Grounds. So, we're gonna meet up with our wedding coordinator. So, let's see! Hi guys! Kakauwi lang natin from our meetings and shoot. Grabe, parang inabot kami ng 3 hours. And nakakatawa kasi yung minute namin coordinator. Gagawa kasi kami ng sariling email para lahat ng mga coordination with the suppliers ay isang email na lang para hindi siya ma-lost sa personal email namin. So, sabi ng coordinator namin, for your password, siguro I suggest gamitin mo na lang yung favorite number niyo or yung anniversary niyo. Sabi ko na lang, problema ko na yun. Grabe, ganun pala ang mga coordinator. Sobrang hands-on nila. So parang na-amaze talaga ako. And saya. Ang dami ko rin natutunan, especially mga legal documents na kailangan sa church, pag kinasal. Siyempre, iba kasi kami ng religion ni Angelic. So iba pa yung documents sa Catholic and sa Christian. So yung mga ganun. This is what I'm using, Happy Skin. Also, sabi rin pala ng wedding coordinator na minute namin na, ilang years na ba sila sa industry? Sa tagal na daw nila sa industriya. First time daw nila makita ng couple na nag-present ng deck. May PowerPoint pa kami ni Angelic kanina, nakakatawa. Anyway, now it's, I think, 9:30 p.m. We're gonna eat our leftover steak from our lunch kanina sa Morton's. So, let's go. Actually, good night. Good night! What's your question?
My question is, what surprised you the most about me so far?
Hi!
So what surprised
Pwede ako yung partner ko.
Guys, may mga questions. So, may quiz. May pa-quiz.
David and Angelique.
Okay, what's something spontaneous you love to do together? Sino kaya?
And where do you guys like to do it?
Multi-layered question. Oh, that's okay. Thank you for that wonderful question. No, joke lang. Spontaneous, I think we love coffee shops. So whenever we want like that caffeine, we just go somewhere near our condo, like random when we wake up. Tara, Vietnamese coffee tayo sa baba. That's the spontaneous thing that we
Gisingad. Oh.
Yeah. Actually, sila Angelique and David have a good record of coffee shops around Metro.
Yes.
Super cute dates, by the way.
Top 3 coffee shops in BGC.
Because coffee.
Harlan.
Ayun na yun yung Harlan Holden. Because coffee.
Coopers.
Coopers, true. Tsaka, wala kasi yardstick sa...
Elephant.
Elephant Ground.
Elephant Ground.
Yeah, we agree.
Yes, talaga.
Parang cancer.
Oh wow, it's heavy.
Happy birthday! Hey! Wow! Hi guys! Time check. It is 11:20 PM. Kakabalik lang namin from our event. Actually, as in nag-bis lang ako. Tapos nag-order kami. Actually, sinaserve pala yung dessert. Kanina, nag-order na kami. Just in time para pagka-uwi namin. Nag-order na lang kami from Shake Shack ng burger, fries, and a milkshake para sa amin ng fine dining restaurant. Para nagutom kami. But I'm so happy. Ilan ang in-invite na couples? 14. So, nandun yung mga newlyweds like si Kiana Valenciano, sila Nadine, magjojowa, newly engaged, sila Marga, kami ni Angelique, at mga artista. So, happy kami ni Angelique na nakasama kami dun sa list. And, tingnan nyo yung gift nung Dyson sa amin.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, hindi umuwi. Naluhaan ang mga lalaki. Sobrang happy ng mga boys. Kasi syempre, ano to, protein shake to. Guys, as in, ang tagal na sa wishlist ko magkaroon ng Nutribullet. So, I'm so happy. So, meron na tayo Nutribullet. Bukas, or maybe this weekend, bibili ako ng ice tray para makagawa tayo ng mga banana protein shake. Yes!
Ice tray?
Ice tray, para marami tayong yellow.
Dami nating ice tray. Kaya
Kulang pa.
Wow.
And then, this one is for Bebo.
I'll unbox that tomorrow.
It's the new blower to ng Dyson. Pero, I think limited edition yung colorway niya. Parang pang Valentine's.
Kami daw ang first na nakatanggap ng colorway niya.
Thank you so much, Dyson. And thank you, Tim.
Thank you,
Tim.
Tim.
Ang bait din ni Tim kasi ang dami yung nirecommend sa amin ng mga locations or venues for the wedding. So, we're keeping it in mind.
Yan
So,
lagi. Conversations lagi about wedding.
and ang daming tumutulong sa amin, nakakatuwa. Pati yung katabi namin, si Marga tsaka si Gabs, ay kakasal na rin next year. So, thank you so much again, Dyson. And kain lang kami, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Hi guys! We're done with the gym, and we are ready to go to our 2 events today. Meron tayong event with Pick Up Coffee, and then another one for Havaiana. So, 2 events tayo today. And ang dress code is, yung sa Pick Up Coffee, it's either brand colors or something coffee. Mukhang coffee. So, okay na to. And then, for Havaiana, summer. So, I guess pwede na rin to. Ito lang. Suot lang natin yung Andiamo bag natin. Zara pants. Buti na lang hindi ko binenta yung mga wide leg na Zara pants ko kasi gusto ko pa rin siya. I think 3 years na sa akin to. Itong belt, kinuha ko lang kay Angelique. And then itong necklace, gift sa akin ni Mike for Christmas. And then I'm also wearing a gold watch and gold accessories. And then for our perfume, Vanille Antique from Byredo. Let's go!
Remember pa?
Hindi na.
Refresher.
Guys, passenger princess. Dream ko to. Yung ano, ako lang yung nakaupo lang, nagla-laptop, nag-email. Saya. So tapos na yung event natin with Pick Up Coffee. Iniwan ko na lang dun si David para mag-shoot pa siya. But now we're going to BGC for the Havaianas event. So let's go. What?
Yan!
I'll try it.
We look forward to having all of you there. So,
Yay! Ikaw! Ako, I have bad eyesight. Yeah, thank you! Surprise. Hindi ako.
Tawa-tawa ka lang.
Guys, time check. Anong oras na? 11:40. Nag-bar pa kami.
Chill. Oh, look at the car.
On a Wednesday? At mag-gym pa tayo bukas. Saan pa tayo nag-park? Guys, inulit ko lang yung damit ko kahapon. Don't judge. But today is another day of meetings. Love, you missed him. Ano to? Matamura. Meron?
Oh. Ay.
Hi, Meow Meow. Whoa.
Oh.
Wow. Hi, Meow Meow. Scratchy. Oh, it's a cat hotel. Oh. Hello.
Ikasya yung kamay.
Okay.
Meow meow. So yung ibang cats dito nila dinadala.
Meow Meow.
Kinagat ka?
Hindi. Oh my gosh, that po.
Shake
Oh,
hands.
please.
No bite. Ay, naku. Meow meow. We're back. Oh. It's you again. Ay, naku naman. Man, ang sweet-sweet naman yan. Ay, naku naman.
Ay, sige po.
Ay, aalis mo na. More love ka. Ano na? More love ka.
Hi guys! Tapos na po tayo mag-gym and we have a morning appointment sa Belo Nexa. I've always wanted to visit that clinic kaya lang wala pa kaming chance. And pinupuntahan lang kasi naming branches yung malapit dito sa condo. So we're gonna check it out. Mukhang maganda daw. So yan, buti na lang tapos na tayo mag-gym. First time ko ata mag-gym ng ganito kaaga, 7 AM. Pero gusto ko na talaga magpapaya. Please lang, gusto ko na talaga. Anyway, ito yung outfit ko today pala. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kimono from Kenzo. Nasuot ko na to before, pero parang perfect siya kasi pag nagpa-treatments tayo, and mamaya pala, meron tayong appointment sa spa. So, madaling maghubad. Ganun lang. Ang ending, ako pala yung mukhang masahista dito. O, tara na. Hi! This is David.
And this is Angelique.
And we're here at Belo Nexa. Actually, this is our first time here, no?
Yes, and we're doing all of our treatments here to prepare for our wedding day. It's just next year, but we're slowly taking it one day at a time with the help of Belo.
I also got to try exosomes the last time and super nagustuhan ko siya. So I'm back for a second session and Advalite. I think this is my 4th session sa Advalite.
Okay.
Guys, we made it here at Belo Nexa. And marami tayong treatments today. On the abs, para sa tiyan natin. We're also gonna do glycopil ata eh. I'm not sure, pero marami. Exosomes, Advalite. And first time ko rin dito sa branch na to. And ang ganda. Later papakita ko sa inyo. Guys, may emla sa mukha ko. Ito yung pampamanhid. So, mga 20 minutes to and then proceed na tayo sa dalawa nating treatments. Tapos na ako sa isa ko, which is sa tiyan. So, last 2. Gutom na ako. Si Angelique nasa ibang kwarto. Diba? Touches my skin. We're done with our Belo day. Guys, we're here at the newly opened spa sa may Greenbelt, sa pinakataas ng Greenbelt 5. So, huwag kayong maliligaw. Kasi kami naligaw. Guys, kakatapos ng massage namin. Sarap. Thank you so much, the spa, for our massage. Bisitahin nyo sila dito sa Greenbelt 5. This is my fave. Okay. Hi guys! We're back from our self-care day. So, nagpabelo tayo at nagpamassage. And nakabili rin tayo ng mga bagay-bagay from Healthy Options. At di siya mura. Parang kanin bill natin. Almost 5K. Ito yung gusto ni Bebo. Yan. Black truffle potato chips. Ito gusto ko i-try. Nung una binali ko pa, sabi ko parang ang mahal. Pero sabi ko, YOLO. Gusto ko na talaga tayo. Freeze-dried banana in milk chocolate. Ito, para siyang peanut butter cups. Na healthy. Na mas mahal. Ang mahal maging healthy. Ito, gusto ni Bebo. Milk chocolate cherries. Tsaka to. Ito mga nuts. Kaya lang bawal sa akin to. I also got some protein bars. This one, 20 grams protein. And this one, banana and oat. Kumuha na rin ako ng tart cherry. Kasi nakakababa to ng uric acid. Para sa gout. And then, nag-restock na lang kami ng vitamin C. So now, we're just gonna stay in. Today's a Friday, so chill lang tayo, hindi tayo lalabas. Tomorrow though, I think I'm gonna go out with my high school friends naman. So good night and happy weekend! Guys, manonood tayo ng concert later. Guess who? Come in and get me, get me, get me. Baby, I'm yours. Come in and get me. Ayoko ng lomi. Kakatay niya kaya yun? Guys, sinurprise ako ni Bebo ng concert ng Sessionistas. Sabi niya kasi sa akin, ano bang gusto mo sa Valentine? Sabi ko, gusto ko manood ng concert ng Sessionistas. Gusto ko kasi si Juris ng MYMP. Sa mga ka-age ko dyan, kilala niyo yun. Si Juris and Chin ng MYMP. Kaya lang, na-disband na sila, diba? So, I think, bawal na niya kantahin yung mga songs niya. So, I'm not sure if kakantahin niya yun. Pero, gusto ko lang manood. Tapos, parang 11:48 PM, nag-message kay Bebo na meron pang seats. Kasi when we were trying to book, sold out na talaga.
Sobrang devastated niya as in. Alam ko na yan eh. Nakita ko na yan sa billboard eh.
Bakit ngayon lang tayo umaksyon?
Oo.
Thank you, love. I love it. Thank you, my fiancé. To be seen. Pag-alak, pagdamit. Hindi nagtitipid, pero pag healthy. Guys, daan muna tayo dito. Nag-open ng store yung friend namin. Suportahan natin. Hi! Congrats! Wow! So, anong kakaiba dito, Earl?
Kakaiba. Pwedeng sarili.
First instruction you pay. Bayad ka muna.
380 for 2 minutes. Then, there's shampoo, conditioner, and if you want medicated shampoo.
Oh. So ikaw gagawa? Ano ibig sabihin ng DIY?
Bubble it yourself.
Oh. Okay. Naalala mo yung time na lasing ka, tapos pinaliguan ka na. Yung pala.
Pwede dito. Pag open ka. Yan. Ito clear water lang.
Okay.
Then if you want may shampoo na. Yan.
Kasama na.
May bubble na. Kaya sobrang bilis lang. Dali.
Oh. Happy Valentine's to you. Guys, para sa mga aso nyo, sa mga pets, pwede rin sa tao.
Try.
Try muna ni Earl. Sandwich na lang. You want this? Tell me.
This is it!
Thank you, love, for your gift.
Sure!
So, kakagaling lang namin sa BGC. We supported our friends. So, it was nice to see my friends again. Kaya ko ba? Sorry, kanina pa ako kumakanta eh. So, ngayon, papanoorin natin ang Love Sessionistas. Come on and get me, get me.
Hindi niya
get
kantayin.
me. Sorry.
Bawal, di siya MYMP.
Let's go. Iwan ko na tong camera ko ha. Kasi kakanta pa tayo, alam nyo na. Okay, we're waiting for the show. Kain muna. Magkano to? Mahal nito. Itong Coke, 245 pesos. Yung seat namin.
After all these years, sana maalala niyo itong kalitin. A little bit of you, and I will fall
to a love of a friend. Sometimes we never could understand, but some things we can mend in just that. But you despair my day. You say you're trying and you make it through the storm, but so strong. Someone's gonna be there. Someday someone's gonna love me. Nais kong ipagtapat sa'yo, sana'y tingin mo ikaw na ang siyang magpapago sa akin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin, magpatay lamang. Di ba siguro bukas?
We just got in.
Wow!
Thank you.
This was my gift for him.
Wow, nice!
Congratulations.
All the best. Congratulations.
Para siya sa kalsada.